And hello there again, fans. So folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to one episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what I have here is one of the latest PBandai releases for the G-Reco in G. We have the G-Self Atmospheric Backpack and Space Backpack version, which has the color of the movie version of Reconquista in G. Yes, so this is the Gundam G-Self with both Atmospheric and Space Backpack in the movie version. And as you can see in the box art, yes, this is a monotone, same as the other P-Bandai releases, except for the Silver Phantom and the Gundam 8 and other uh, Gundam lines. But this is one of the standard releases, and yes, this is coming from P-Bandai, which they sent out in addition to this kit, they sent out this sticker here. All right. And off to the side, here it is. It's just one big G-Self. And on the other side here is maybe a preview on what you can see or what you can build. When you see, this is the atmospheric and this is the space backpack. And of course, both the shields and the guns used in both atmospheric and the space backpack. And seeing what's inside the box, is we have one bag, multicolor sprue, the blue, and yes, definitely the blue is really of a different color rather than the original kit. Stickers, more sprues and stickers here. Probably one for the backpack and one for the actual Gundam itself. There it is. I think this is for the space. Right, you have it. Lastly, or no, not it last. Now this is the last wherein they provide you with a stand and more stickers. And of course, we do have the instruction manual, which is different from the other P-Bandai manuals because this is in a booklet form rather than one linear instruction manual as you had seen in the others. Alright, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Alright, first off is we have the A sprue, which is all white here. I think this is coming from, or rather the A1, still coming from the original G-Self HG kit. A2 here, so white. The B now has a bit muted red, or more vibrant red, I'm not sure. The C is in blue, which is I think more muted than the original one. We have the B sprue here, which is yellow. I think still retaining the same colors. E sprue here, all gray. The F contains square parts. Now we have two G's here actually. This G is for the space backpack one. And this G here is I think for still the space backpack one, I guess, yeah. Then we have an H1, which is for the shield. Another H1, which is parts of the body. I guess for the space one. Yes, I'm not sure. I only have the atmospheric version after all. Yeah, an H2, which is a darker red. This H2, a muted red. Ice sprue here for the backpack. The space one. J sprue, more of the clear blue. We have a W1, which is I think for manipulators and stuff. We have the stand here. We also have several, sorry about that, easy plates, for the joints and whatnot. And finally, some saber beam effects and a ton load of stickers. Yeah. So that one, this one, and last one. And there you have it, kind of fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this G-Self atmospheric and space backpack Reconquista in G movie version for the HG Reconquista in G from Premium Bandai. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, you mind a video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.